In this video, we're going to talk about Chapter 2, Section 6, Objective 2, where we add fractions with unlike denominators. We have just a couple different types of fractions that we're situations that we're mainly going to talk about. So this first problem is the first situation where 13 and 6 have no common factor. They're what's called relatively prime. Meaning the only factor that they share in common is 1. So when we have factors, denominators that are relatively prime, then we can form our least common denominator by multiplying the two denominators together. And what we do to the bottom, when I need to multiply 6 times 13, I have 13. I need to multiply by 6 in the bottom, so I also have to multiply by 6 in the top, so that I'm multiplying by 1. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 1 times 13 is going to be 13 for my numerator. Keep my common denominator of 6 times 13. So that's going to be 3 plus 8 is 11. 5 and 1 is 6 over, that's going to be 18. And 6 plus 1 is 7. And 6 and 13 are my factors here. 61 does not have a factor in common with 6 or 13. So this is 61 over 78. Now the second type of problem, the smaller denominator divides into the bigger denominator evenly. So 7 goes into 35 5 times. So I'm going to multiply the one with the smaller denominator by what it takes to get to the larger denominator, because the larger denominator is my LCD. So 5 times 1 is 5, plus 34, and then 5 times 7 is 35. It's going to give me 39 over 35. 39 is 3 times 13. 35 is 5 times 7, so there's no common factors. It's okay that it's an improper fraction. It is a simplified fraction, so we're going to leave it alone, just like that. Another example here, that 23 times 3 is 69. So this is going to be 17 plus 6 over 69. 17 plus 6 is 23 over 69, and we just said that 69 was 3 times 23, and I have 1 times 23 in the numerator. 23 over 23 makes a 1, and my fraction simplifies to be 1/3. Seven goes into 21 3 times. So we're going to multiply by 3 over 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 1 over 21 will give me 19 over 21. And then we're going to wrap up here with a problem that is 3 fractions added, and they're also mixed numbers. I haven't done any mixed numbers in the other parts, so let's go ahead and let's add the whole parts together. 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9. And then we need to add together the 7/8, the 3/4, and the 1/5. So I've got 2 different things going on here. I've got 4 goes into 8 evenly. So let's add these 2 together first, and then I'll leave this one that's unlike with them to be done separately. So going to multiply by 2 over 2 here to make that 7 plus 6 over 8. Plus 1 over 5, and that's going to be 13 over 8 plus 1 over 5. Now 5 and 8 don't have anything in common, so that's just like my first examples that I was doing that are relatively prime. So give myself some space. I'm going to multiply by 5 over 5 here, 8 over 8 here. We have 9 plus 5 times 13 is 65, plus 8 over, and then the denominator there is 40. So we have 9, and 8 plus 5 is 13. 6 plus 1 is 7 over 40. So 73 is bigger than 40. We're writing our answer as a mixed number. It's more than 1. 40 goes into 73 one time with 33 left over. So this is one more time. That makes 10. And then a remainder of 33 over 40. 33 is 3 times 11. 40 is 5 times 2 times 2 times 2. So no more factors to reduce. 10 and 33 over 40. So I showed you how to do one that's got 3 terms with that type of problem. Also showed you how to deal with mixed numbers, and how to deal with a situation where some of them have a common factor and some of them do not, when you're adding multiple terms together like that. So hopefully that was helpful to just kind of put it all together there at the end. All right. The next section we're going to talk about is 2.6 Objective 3, where we solve some application problems. So I'll see you for the next video.